Hey, today we are in East Jacksonville. We started on this project yesterday and finally got it wrapped up. This customer has recently had the TECO gas program taken care of at the place. Had a new meter installed, so he's removing the LP tanks. Once that's out the way, we can clean up the piping a little bit better. Head back here, nice and slow. Take a look. This is a Renai unit we just hung on the wall. This is one of the nicer Renai units. Wi-Fi module, suck pump, send it to the other end of the house with a mixing valve or comfort valve or blending valve, whatever you guys want to call it. Condensate collection pan, condensate drip line, little stainless heat exchanger and boiler, inducer, draft motor, igniter circuits. Pretty simple. Water starts flowing when you open up a faucet, flow switch turns the machine on. Right now we're testing and setting up, mount the control panel. This unit will be ready for use. All right, everybody, we just left Jacksonville. Now we're heading to Palm Coast, back to Hammock Dunes again. Finished up the Renai install. Travis was giving the customer some instructions on how to use it. He's going to have his electrician run the control panel wire all the way to his master bathroom so he can control the pump from his bathroom, send the water through the home. Most people set it up like 5:09 a.m. and 5:09 p.m. so it's running and the house is full of hot water when they typically need it. Now we're going down to finish out a tub install and a shower install that we started trimming out last week. The contractor says he is ready to finish, so we are on our way. If he lets me, I'll take a video. It's a very nice condominium. They've done a really great job of gutting it and remodeling it. Okay, here's our finished master bath. They refinished the tub, new faucet, new sinks and countertops, new shower, new toilet, of course. Some really neat features in this place. Master closet, master bedroom, and a 10th floor ocean front view. Living area, dining area, kitchen, half bath. There's a front foyer and a front bedroom. They've got a lot going on, so I'm not getting away. I'm just gonna pack my bags and get out of here. Right, today we are back at Sable Palms, and it's pretty obvious what we're doing. And just like before, I'll show you how well this orange juice works to cut this stuff out of here. Look at that. That's what we call the money shot. This is why you have to descale these things. It heats the water almost instantly when it passes through the tiny little combustion chamber and heat exchanger. And that's what builds up on the interior. Okay, I am in St. Augustine after a long ride to New Smyrna Beach to inspect the gas line. What we have, someone changed the element, left one of the terminals loose on the lower element, and now it just sat here and arced. And who knows how many months before it finally quit. And of course, no check valves, no individual control valves. Homeowners asked me to give her a price on putting some control valves, so when they don't have any company and family, they can run on one water heater instead of having both of these run all the time. Nice filter setup. That came out of the water heater even with those fancy filters. Oh, that looks like the crumbs off of the old elements. 240 into the top two tunnels, and then she should be yep. Today, installing a grass grill.
That is a Connecticut water softener that went bad. And this is the result of the interior of the hot water heater.
Alright, today's fun project. Installing a new gas grill. There's the old one. There's the new one. Nice space. She is valved on, leak checked, and ready for use. Uh-oh. She's going to have to slide it out a bit to operate it. She might not be happy about that. Was the other one the same way? Yep, sure is. Anyway, I'll see y'all next time.